Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So I'm just reviewing my camping gear at the moment, just looking to refine it, make it more efficient, reduce weight, save space, that sort of thing. And one of the things which I'm looking at the moment is my fire kit. So I've got a product here which I'm hoping will enhance my fire kit. So I'll just reset the camera and I'll show you what we have at the moment and how we hope to improve it. Right, so at the moment then my fire kit is contained within one of these little containers. It's from IKEA, perfect for the job to my mind. So let's just have a quick look in here and summarise what we have. So we have a Light My Fire fire steel. This is absolutely excellent. I've had it for quite some time now. Absolutely brilliant. And also this striker doubles up as a whistle. So we have the fire steel. Now we also have a big lighter. Not much to say about them, is there? We also have some tinder. So what I've got here, look, a little bag with a number of cotton wool balls soaked in petroleum jelly. And we also have some, a small section of inner tube from a bicycle. There goes another bit there, look. And you know, this is, to my mind, a great little fire kit as it stands at the moment. But can we improve it? So let's just review what we have at the moment then, how effective it is, and then have a look at the additional item which will hopefully enhance this fire kit. So first of all then, we obviously have a flame. So it doesn't get much better than that, does it? But the thing is, of course, the fuel is only going to last so long, so this does actually have a shelf life. The fire steel, you can light thousands and thousands of fires with these, providing of course the spark which it generates actually has tinder which will take the spark. You know, if the tinder's particularly wet, you might be struggling. So once you actually have a flame, then you might want to, if you have, for example, a fuel which might be a little bit damp, something like this, the inner tube of a bicycle, this is brilliant because this will burn for a long time, and I'm just going to give an example of that. So let's just cut a strip off this. Now this will burn for a long time, so providing you have a flame, you can extend that significantly by having something like this. So, goes without saying, these are absolutely fantastic. So, tinder then, we've mentioned that we have some petroleum jelly, soaked cotton wool balls. I mean, if anything will take a spark, these will. These are absolutely fantastic, and I'd recommend highly that everybody has some of these as just ready-made tinder in the kit. You never know. So let's just see how easy this will take a spark then, shall we? Let's just pull it apart. Not that that's really going to be a massive issue. Okay, there we go, look. So, can we light this up or not? With one strike. There you go, straight away, look. That is absolutely fantastic. So, we've got another product here, look. There we go, look, Comedy Magic Relighting Candles. So these apparently, once you light them, you can't put them out. So if, for example, you know, you stick them on a cake and you light them and you blow them, they'll keep coming back. So potentially then, in theory, these would be an ideal addition to my fire kit. So basically, would it be worth putting these in this fire kit? You know, on the basis that you could easily light one up, you know, save fuel in your lighter, and then basically let these do the rest of the job. Let's just reset the camera and try them out, shall we? So let's just place one of these little holders in a crack in there. Let's stick a candle in there. Light it up and see what happens, shall we? Right, there we go. So we're away. Now, given the fact that this is exposed to the elements, let's see how this fares, shall we? So I'm just going to give it a few seconds. You can see that some little sparks here. So it must be the case that the actual wick is impregnated with something, I don't know, perhaps something like magnesium. I mean, these things are dirt cheap. You get 10 of them in a packet. I'll put the price just down below on the screen. I think it's worth having. Yeah, they're quite resilient actually. Right, okay then, so yeah, I think they're reasonably successful. They're very, very cheap. So the next thing I'm going to do is to light one of these up and just leave it here and see how long it stays alight for. Just going to let it sit there. So it started off at 17:30. Let's see what happens then, shall we? How much fun can a young man have? Bloody thing's going out, come on. It's actually quite difficult getting a runtime on this because the damn thing keeps going out and I've had to relight it 3 or 4 times. Right, okay now, so this has been burning now on and off for coming up for 7 minutes, which I think is quite brilliant. There we go, look, it's on its way out. Bit of bruise droop there. Right, okay, so final opinion on these magic candles. I think they're worth having. It may be the case that some brands are better than others. The candles which I've illustrated, you know, we've had a varying success with them really. The trick seems to be to expose the wick so the flame can actually get hold. Then they're not bad at all really, to be honest with you, given the cost, given their size and their negligible weight. I think it's worth having 2 or 3 with you. I think they certainly, any candle really serves as a good fire extender to help you save fuel on, so for example, your lighter, so or a match. So yeah, are they worth having? I think so. All I've got to do now is decide which colour to put in my fire kit.